Hey guys, welcome back. So today's tutorial is going to be on this eye makeup I'm wearing right now. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then obviously you have to keep watching. Just so you know, I only used one palette to achieve this look, so there you go. Before we begin, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, follow my other social medias, watch my previous videos, and share my channel as well as my videos. With that said, we can get started. For today's eye look, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Metal Mattes palette, which is this huge palette. I can't even fit it in the frame, but you guys have seen this palette. It's beautiful. I'm going to start with the eyeshadow Suede, which is this one right here, and I'm using a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush for this application. Suede is going to go on my crease from outer to inner corner, small circular motions. And I'm just going to be placing this all over my crease. The next eyeshadow I'm picking up is Bone, which is this one right here. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics 104 brush for this application. And I'm just going to use this for my brow bone highlight. For the next application, I'm going to be using this Luxie 229 tapered blending brush, and I'm going to be picking up Silk and Stone right here. So it's this light purple, which is kind of a lavender, with this gray. So yeah, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of both, tap off the excess, and I'm going to be using this on my outer V. And I'm also going to bring it into the crease, as you can see, bring it all the way onto the crease. So right now I'm just going to place it on the outer V. Pick up a little bit more and start blending in. And I'm going to bring this all the way into the inner corner. Right now I'm holding the brush from the bottom up because I'm placing the eyeshadow. In a little bit, I want to blend it, so I'm going to flip the brush and I'm going to be blending from the top to the bottom. Next, I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to be using this concealer. This is the Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer by NYX, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics flat shader brush. You can use whatever concealer you want. It doesn't have to be this one. I'm going to do, like I said, a half cut crease. So it's going to start from the inner portion of my eye. And I'm just going to bring it halfway to the eye. So I'm just placing this right now onto the lid. And I'm going to stop right there. And now, like you guys already know, I open my eye, I look up. Whatever transfers into that crease, that's as far up as I bring this concealer. Now that my crease is cut, I'm going to be going into Twinkle, which is this eyeshadow right here. And this is a BH Cosmetics 102 brush. I'm going to be applying Twinkle right over that concealer. And just tapping it on. Look how pretty this eyeshadow is. I love it. Now I'm going to go back to that Luxie 229 tapered blending brush, the one I used to apply Silk and Stone with, and I'm going to softly blend these edges just to make sure they are nice and smooth. As well as my outer V section right here. So right here I'm just tapping because I don't want to super darken it. I just want it to look nice and transitioned. For my waterline, I'm using this Jordana eyeliner. This one is called Blue Divine. And I'm just going to apply this on my waterline. With this Makeup Geek Outer V brush, I'm going to go into Nebula, which is this blue right here. And I'm going to pick that up. And I'm going to be applying this under my lower lash line. I'm just going to buff it right there. So you can see, I'm bringing it all the way in and all the way out and connecting it out here. I'm gonna clean this brush off and I'm gonna go into Tinsel, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna go over Nebula with this. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Just buff it right under and on top of Nebula. And to complete this look, I'm using this Makeup Geek Smoky Eye Brush, and I'm gonna pick up some glitz from the palette, and I'm gonna be applying this on my inner tear duct area for a highlight. All right, and that's it. I'm gonna apply some mascara and some falsies, and I will be right back. So here you have it, you guys. This is the final look. On the lips, I'm wearing the L'Oreal La Palette palette. I'm wearing the shade Cream, which is this one right here. Oops, sorry for the light. It's this one right here. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. I hope it was informative and it helped you to create something fun like this. I really do love these fun, colorful looks. You know, I have lavender and blue and a little bit of gray in there. So yeah, these are fun looks that I love to do. Sometimes I just get lazy and don't do them often enough, but if you guys like these types of looks, please let me know down below and I will make sure I incorporate a fun, nice look every week. Just upload at least once a week. All right, so yeah, until next time, my loves. Oh, please make sure you are subscribed if you haven't already. Follow my other social medias, watch my previous videos, share my channel and my videos. So yeah, until next time, mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.